Alright guys, welcome back. What I'm going to be doing right now is restoring this trim piece right here. Basically, I kind of want a matte finish anyway, so everyone knows that like these steering wheel trims get really nasty over the years. Mine has a bunch of scratches over like that. So what I'm going to be doing is taking off this chrome trim right here. It's just a T20, two T20s on the back here, 1 and 2. Here's my cat, Batman. What's up? What's up? I'm just gonna be wet sanding it, and I think that might be all I need to do. Just wet sanding it and just leaving it with a matte finish. Hopefully that works out. So I'll tell you guys how that goes right after this. Alright guys, so this is actually the next day, featuring Bat again. But I sanded it last night, and it didn't turn out as I thought it would. I thought it would just be matte underneath. So it's kind of just messed up right now. I don't know if you guys can see. It just doesn't look that good. But what I did do is I went ahead and went out and bought some flat black paint from Home Depot. These were cheap, so these two were cheap. They were like $1 each, so this is like a gloss black. This is a flat black, but this one's like paint plus primer in one. So I've already like scuffed it with sandpaper, but I don't know if you need to put like matte clear coat with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this now with the bare paint plus primer, because these two need primer. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and talk to you guys about it in a bit. Alright guys, so here is the end product. I mean, it looks pretty good on camera, but I don't know if you guys can see, but there are small imperfections in the paint. There's like bubbles right there. Yeah, you can see it right there. But overall, I think for like $4 a can of paint and some sandpaper, I mean, you can't really get any better than that. Maybe you can wrap it, I don't know. But I think this is a very worthwhile DIY. I mean, it takes like maybe 30 minutes to an hour. You just sand it down. This is like 5 coats of the matte paint. Just make sure you leave enough drying time in between each coat, or else you'll end up with bubbles like me. I may or may not resand this later and then just redo it, but I mean, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how you can easily and cheaply restore your steering wheel trim. Like I said, it's only like $5 for the paint, and I don't know if you guys have like sandpaper laying around your house, but super cheap DIY, looks really good in my opinion. Yeah, so I don't know if this will be a part of my series, but next up what I'm going to be doing is installing back the chrome pieces that are going to be laying on the sides of it, and then putting it back on the steering wheel, which I've wrapped, and then throwing the steering wheel on the car and wiring the paddle shifters. So I'll catch you guys whenever that happens. Peace out.